Got a garbage truck coming right here. About making him rich and famous. Nice and easy. Big green crab apples. Make the bags a whole lot heavier. Successful trash day. Take it home, grab some coffee. So this was an easy grab right here. Let's see, he's making his way down the street. I'll just hang out right here in the corner to get this can right here. It'll be a good shot of him driving up and then picking up the can. Should be some easy footage. This guy was cool. I talked to him earlier. So it's good when the driver kind of knows what I'm doing. I'm not out here trying to get him in trouble. I'm not out here trying to cause problems. I just admire the trash trucks, take some good video, and everybody goes on about their business. We've got one can before this one, and I'll just hang out right here. And then I look down here and we got a compost. That's Southern Pride compost. And then right behind that is the Casey Disposal garbage truck, the new way that I reported earlier. The compost truck is a little bit more difficult to track down. I don't really know which way they're gonna go. So that was a good catch right there. Some good compost footage. Was able to follow him all the way down the street. So that was some good compost footage right there. Was able to follow him all the way down the street. Nice and easy. It's usually never that easy with the compost, but they had a lot of bags today with all the leaves falling. Made it easy, nice straight shot. I walked with the truck. Actually talking to the young man that was throwing the bags. He was pretty cool. Told him we appreciate him. It rained last night, so the bags were heavier than usual. He made a comment about how the big green crab apples make the bags a whole lot heavier. We kind of joked about that. He said something about after I told him I was taking videos for YouTube, something about making him rich and famous, which I will definitely put this video on Working Hard USA. So I hope you check it out there. But yeah, successful trash day. That was a good crew. They let me just walk with them and take a lot of videos, so that was cool. And they knew what I was doing, and so it's all good. I don't have a whole lot of compost footage, so that was good. It's usually the rear loader, a driver, and a thrower. So got a lot of good footage there that I can use. And I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna head back to my truck and probably take it home, grab some coffee, get ready for the work day that's ahead. Get to some Excel spreadsheets and some debits and credits with my accounting job. But yeah, it's a good day. Still cool out, but that's okay. I kind of like it a little bit cooler anyways, rather than being real hot. Got a garbage truck coming right here. He's about to cross the street, not really sure where he's going. He's going down that street straight ahead. I don't know if I'll be able to catch up to him. I'd have to do some jogging. But I might just walk briskly and see if I can catch up to him. And my truck is right up here. If he stops and takes a break for a minute, I'll definitely be able to catch up to him. It looks like he is taking a break. So yeah, I'll probably cross here. Got the compost coming back too. He turned down a different street though. Should be able to catch up to this recycling truck here. He ended up turning. I thought he was going to come straight. That way I would have continued to have the sidewalk. But as you can see on this side, there's no sidewalk. That's not ideal. So I don't think I'm gonna follow him down there. However, I do think I'm gonna try to catch him. He'll end up back up on this street at some point. So I'm gonna let that one go. No sidewalk on that side. Sometimes it works out perfectly. Sometimes you gotta skip it. Actually, no, I think I'm gonna give up on that one. I gotta head back. Start working my real job. So I think I'm gonna call it a day, successful day. Didn't have to drive around a whole lot, which that's good. Save on gas, save on time, spend more time getting footage. Didn't have to hunt for the trash trucks at all, really. Just ran into them, and then they are all in the same area. So I was able to get some really easy footage just by driving through the neighborhood, finding a good parking spot, jumping out. Although I might hang out right here to see if this truck comes back down this way. There's a cul-de-sac back there. Nah, he turned. Okay, I think that'll do it. Thanks for hanging out. Keep working hard.